Okay, when you buy this fishing trophy, you will get 2 pieces of the trophy, and it have a beautiful present case, the gift box. Okay, and we open it. You can have a cleaning mat, a reminder for you to tear off the protective film. Okay, this is the trophy fish, and it's designed based on the big mouth base. It's a very popular fish, a common fish for America and Canada. Okay, you can see here we have a protective film, and we need to tear off it. Then we'll get a beautiful acrylic trophy. Okay, here we have a sample that is already tear off, and you can see we need a simple sample and put it here. Okay, then you can have this nice beautiful acrylic trophy. You can check the details. And here the fish is just jumping out of the water, and it is a very vivid design. And also you will have this kind of little letter and just sticker. Then you can DIY your name or the trophy theme on your trophy. Okay, that's all.